In Masechet Psochim Daf Samech Ches Amud Beis, Rav Yosef makes a statement. Rav Yosef was so happy on Shavuos that he would say, if it wasn't for Shavuos Day, I would just be another Yosef, like the million Yosefs that there are in the marketplace. It sounds like a very haughty type of a statement to make, asks the buyer Eitev. And at the end of Masechet Soita, we learned that Rav Yosef was so humble, so how does this work? Explains the Kilas Yitzchak. There's a big question on the Yontef of Shavuos. Why is it that we celebrate the Yontef of Shavuos on the day that we do, as commemorating Matan Torah, receiving Torah? The first luchos, the first tablets were broken. The second tablets that were given on Yom Kippur, they are the ones that stayed. So why is it that we don't do a zecher for Shavuos, zecher for receiving the Torah, really on Yom Kippur? But the fact that we do commemorate receiving the Torah on Shavuos, those tablets which were broken, shows us that there is significance. There's chashivus to broken luchos as well. They have kedusha. In Adorim Daf Mem Aleph Amud Aleph, we learned that Rav Yosef became sick and he forgot all his learning. Then later he remembered. Said Rav Yosef, if it wasn't for the Yontef of Shavuos, that would mean that Shivrei Luchos, broken tablets, don't mean anything. Don't have any significance. But the fact that we celebrate Shavuos on Vav Sivan and not on Yom Kippur, we celebrate on the day that the tablets were broken, you see from here that there is significance even to broken luchos. And I, says Rav Yosef, I'm just like a broken luchos because I forgot all my Torah. And Brachos Tafes, Amud Beis, the Gemara says, Izaharu, Betalmid Chacham, Sheshachach es Talmudoi. Be careful to respect, to honor a Talmid Chacham that forgot his Talmud. You see from here that there is significance. We have to respect and honor a Talmid Chacham, even if he's old and he forgot his Torah. Says Rav Yosef, that is the reason I'm so happy on Shavuos, because Shavuos taught everyone that there was chashivus even to a Talmid Chacham that lost his Talmud, he lost his learning. That is why Rav Yosef was so happy. If it wasn't for Shavuos, there would be 1,000 Yosefs like me. I would be just like all the other Yosefs in the marketplace, but because we see the significance of Shivrei Luchos, of broken tablets, Baruch Hashem, I'm Rav Yosef, and I'm not resembling the other Yosefs that are out there in the marketplace.